Why is the eval bar saying it's equal? Do I have a perpetual check? I have a perpetual check. That's amazing. That is incredible. No, I don't. Here, here, here. I do have a perpetual check. And I get to move. Boom. How do you like that, Martin? All right, guys, I'm back to play Martin, but this wheel over here is going to determine what move I have to make. So there's 3 green moves, which means I can just move whatever I want. There's a yellow capture, which means I have to capture a piece. There is a blue check, which means I have to put Martin in check if I can. There's a red blunder, which means I have to make a terrible move. And then there's give Martin a queen, which means I have to pause the game, add a queen to the board for Martin, and keep going. If at any moment I land on something that I can't do, like the check or the capture, I'm going to say that it defaults to give Martin a queen. And we're going to see if that's too difficult or not. And we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and click the wheel, and here we go. What's the first? Ooh, a move. Great. So I'm going to play e4 and spin it again. Blunder. Okay, can I even blunder? I can blunder. I can blunder. I can play bishop a6. So I'll play bishop a6. He did take it. Let's keep going. Hey, I get to move again. All right. I am going to play d4 and spin it again. Really? Okay, how do I blunder? Let's blunder my bishop, I guess. Yeah, we'll go there. Oh, he didn't take it. Blunder turned out to be a brilliant... Oh, it landed on blunder again? Okay, let's like double blunder the bishop. Come on, Martin. There you go. All right. Again, what is... Like, see, this is why I don't play games that are luck-based, because this happens. I have to blunder again. What's a blunder here? I don't even know if I can blunder. What's the best blunder? Maybe king e2. Probably the biggest... Or king d2 looks pretty bad. We'll say king d2. Okay, Martin, what do I... Oh, give Martin a queen. All right, hold on. Paste in the position, and I'm going to give Martin a queen. I'm going to put it... I get to choose where to put it, so I'm going to put it back here on d8 so that it doesn't, like, checkmate me. And then let's go back to practice, and we'll just change this to Martin again, and we are good to go. All right, so it's my turn. He's got his queen. Let me spin it again. A check. I can't do a check, which means I have to give him another queen. All right, so here's the position. Let's put his queen over here. Actually, let's put it on b7. Maybe that's a more annoying square. We'll put it on b7. We'll practice. We'll change the bot. And we're back to spin again. You gotta be kidding me. I can't do any of this stuff. I gotta go give him another queen. All right, here we go. I'm gonna add this queen over here on a6. And practice, and we will go back to Martin and spin it again. Come on, I need like a decent one. Here we go. There we go. Move a piece. Okay. Let's bring this knight out. See if we can salvage this game. Move. Great. Let's bring this knight out. It's looking pretty good when I actually get to move. Okay. Okay. Give Martin a queen. Hold on. All right, here's the position. Let's give Martin a queen, and I'm going to put it right there on e7. And we are off. Spin it again. Blunder. Great. Great. Here's my knight, Martin. Enjoy. You didn't take it. All right. Capture. Hey, I can actually do it. Awesome. Let's take this one. He took my knight. Wow. Why is the eval bar saying it's equal? Do I have a perpetual check? I have a perpetual check. That's amazing. That is incredible. No, I don't. Here, here, here. I do have a perpetual check. And I get to move. Boom. How do you like that, Martin? Those 5 queens don't help you. Okay, let's give him another one. Okay, I'm going to give him another one over here because they're not really helping him off to the side like this. Let's go practice. Let's change it back to Martin. And spin. Come on, if I can just get some checks or moves, perfect. We can get a perpetual. We can do this. Queen to g4 should do it. Come on. Oh. Okay, can I blunder something without blundering my queen? That's the question. Not really. I don't really have... Well, this is kind of a blunder. I mean, it's not... It's a blunder. It's a blunder. I mean, it's not a blunder like giving up my queen, but it's still a blunder. We're going to play b4. Because it gives him the chance to stop the perpetual check, so it's still a blunder. I'm going to say that's a blunder. But he doesn't see it, so... Oh, get to move. All right, let's go again. See if we can get the perpetual check to work out. And I'm going to have to get a lot of moves and checks in a row. All right, there we go. Come on, let's get another one. Oh, yes. Come on. One more? Or is it one more or two more? Give him a queen. And that's not going to be perpetual because it's a new position. I'm going to give him a queen over here on b7. Practice. Martin. All right. Hold on. Let's give him another queen. Let's put the queen on c6. Makes you wonder how many times I can roll that one. All right, come on. Let's get a move. So I have to blunder something else. Okay, we can blunder the knight now. We can blunder the knight. There you go. There you go, Martin. He stopped it. He stopped the perpetual check. It's too late now, dude. All right, we're going to take the queen. Spin it again. This is really difficult, by the way. We're going to move. Wow, we're going to move. What do I even move? Let's move c3 to defend some of these pawns. All right, we get to move again. I'm going to take that knight. And if I can, if I could bring my rook up, I could see this game turning around. But I'm not going to spin that many moves in a row. There's no way. I have to capture. Oh, I can take the queen. Perfect. Perfect. I forgot about that. Okay, move. Awesome. Do I want to defend this first? He probably will take that. Although, no, I'm just going to assume he won't. I need to get this rook up. This is my only chance. This is literally my only chance. Ooh, and we might get to do it. Okay, we're going to bring the rook up. No, he saw it. I have to move, but now I'm just totally losing. I have to go here. Only move. Yeah. Okay, Martin, let's rematch. Reset. Oh, no, we're not resetting this position. Hold on. Hold on. All right, so I'm ready for the rematch, but I did add this orange one here, which says Nelson gets a pawn. So it's just a little something, but if it lands on that, I get to put a pawn wherever I want on the board, and then we spin again. So I think that will just maybe, hopefully, even it out a little bit more, because it was just too much with all the queens coming, I felt like. So let's try it this way and see if this is any better. So here we go. We're going to spin. Aha, Nelson gets a pawn. All right, let's go back to the analysis. And I'm going to give myself a pawn over... I'll put it on f3. I feel like that's a pretty nice square. So we'll put it there. And it's pretty funny that that was the first one that I rolled. All right, back to Martin. Here we go. And, ooh, we get to move. All right, let's go e4. And we get to move again. Awesome. I'm going to go bishop c4 in case I need to do a check. I'll have a check available. All right. Move. All right. We're going to play d4. This is going fantastic so far. Blunder. All right. Let's blunder the bishop. We'll go bishop f4. He doesn't take it. Ooh, okay. I get to move him now. I'll take this one. All right, this is going very well. I have to do a check. I have a check. I have to move. All right, awesome. Let's... I don't have any checks. Well, we'll just bring the knight out and defend that guy. Okay, I have to capture something, which means only legal move for me would be this. We haven't had to give... Ooh, Nelson gets a pawn. Nice. See, this is making a big difference already. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to give myself an extra pawn on c3. I feel like that's a nice square. Let's go practice and Martin. And let's spin it again. All right, and I get to move. Okay, let's go knight to d2. gotten so many moves. This is great. Let's go queen to e2. I'm actually amazed that I haven't had to give Martin a queen yet. Move again. This is great. I'm going to get to castle, complete my development. Ah, well, it was only a matter of time. All right, let's give Martin a queen. I'm going to give Martin his queen back here on b8. Practice versus computer, and here we go. Martin, let's spin it again. Ooh, blunder. The problem is I don't have a lot of blunders. Man, okay. I'm going to have to blunder my queen. I mean, I don't have any other blunders. Wow. And he takes it. Okay. That one hurt. That one hurt. Let's defend over here. And, ooh, so close. I gotta get to move. Let's bring the knight in. Nelson gets a pawn. Okay. Where am I gonna put my pawn? Let's put my pawn here on b3. Practice and change to Martin. Here we go. Let's spin it again. Nelson gets another pawn. All right. Here we go. I'm going to add this one on a2. I'm just trying to kind of defend my king with these extra pawns. So let's go practice. Martin. Let's spin it again. And I get to move. Okay, great. I'm going to take... Maybe I should leave it so I have a capture, actually. I have a capture over here. All right, we'll just take the rook. Okay, we get to move. I'm going to go ahead and take this one. This is going very nicely. We get to move again. All right. Thank you. Wheel of chess. Ooh, give Martin a queen. I spoke too soon. All right. Let's go give Martin a queen. All right, I'm going to give him his queen over, let's see. I'm going to give him his queen on e7. Let's practice. Uh-oh. That's not good. We've got too many Martin bots. Did I lose the position? That's the big question. Too many Martin bots. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can still salvage this. Okay, great. Here's the position. We'll give him the queen. And going forward, I will close the extra tabs. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, good. I get to move. Should I try to go for a queen? He might not take it. Oh, he didn't take it. All right, come on, move. Come on, move. No, I'm trying to get a queen, not give Martin another queen. Ah. So here's the current position, and I will give Martin a queen over here in the corner. And let's go. Okay, spin the wheel. Ooh, there we go. I get to move. A queen of my own. All right. What's next? Ooh, we get to move again. Great. I think we need to at some point make some more threats. So let's bring this knight in and go for the queen. He saw it. And now I have to blunder. Okay, Martin, there's a knight for you. He didn't take it. Nelson gets a pawn. All right. So here's the current position. I'm going to put my pawn right here. I don't want the queen coming in. Under no circumstances do we want that queen coming in. Okay. Here we go. And we need to change. No, I'm not playing Stockfish from this position. All right. Nelson gets a pawn. Let's see what's next. I get to move. Okay, awesome. Let's move here. Capture. Oh, no. I don't... Oh. The only captures I have. Those are the only two captures I have. That's too bad. All right, let's take this one. Ooh, he didn't take me. Capture again. All right, now I can work with this. Okay, we traded. Blunder. All right, there's my knight. He's not taking it. Blunder again. There's my knight. All right, he took it that time. Move. Okay. Well, let's actually bring this rook to the center. Move again. Awesome. Let's push this pawn. Give Martin a queen. All right. So here's the current position. I'm going to give him a queen right here on e7. Practice versus computer. And okay, here we go. I'm going to spin it again. Blunder. What's a blunder? Knight to c4 is a blunder. He does take it. Another blunder. Rook to d2 looks like a blunder. Capture. I have to take something. I'll take the queen. Oh, so close. Did you guys see that? All right, Martin, here's another queen for you. So here's the current position. I'm going to give Martin his queen right here on d8. Practice. Change it back to Martin. Okay. Spin the wheel. Capture. I do have some captured. I'll take this one. Move. Awesome. Let's take this. Move again. Okay. I will... I mean, I'm treating moves like I can take stuff too. So I hope that's not like breaking the rules. I'm actually going to push this time. I'm going to see if I can get a queen here. Ooh, so close. All right, let's move this pawn up. Give Martin a queen. Great. I don't actually know if I'm going to be able to win. I keep having to give him queens. Let's go here. Here's the current position. We'll give him a queen over here in the corner. And change it back to Martin. All right. What does the wheel say today? Move. Let's go a5. Oh, no. I missed that. I totally missed that. And I have to blunder. That means I have to blunder checkmate. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I can blunder something. I can blunder my rook and also not get checkmated. Okay. Whew. That was close. Move. I have to move. Okay. I need to get away from this queen. Actually, it's okay. I can run there if I need to. Let's save my rook. Come on. Blunder. Fine. Check. I'm running out of pieces to blunder here. Okay. I'm going to play f4. Okay, now he's threatening mate in 1. It is mate in 1. I can't stop it. I can't stop mate in 1. Let's push the pawn, see if he gets distracted. No. I've said it before, but Martin never misses mate in 1. I don't think I can win. I don't think I can win. Giving him a queen is significant. It's really significant. What do you guys think? Can I tweak these rules to give myself a chance? I don't see this happening. Let me know your thoughts. I feel like we can make this into something kind of fun. I'm just not exactly sure how to do it. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.